welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Soo-young. Today I'd like to show you how to make candied sweet potato. Let's peel and cut all the sweet potatoes. These three has all different tastes, and especially I love the white one and purple one. Fry them with canola oils. I fry them about 10 minutes. Make them dry fit and prepare another pan. I put some canola oil and 1.5 tablespoons of stevia. Try not to stir with any spoon and just leave the stevia melting along with the oils. And put all the sweet potatoes. I added half cup of rice syrup. It really depends on how much sweet you want. You can put less or more. Leave them few minutes to dry and then eat it. Thanks for watching my channel today.